In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export your animation, your video project out of After Effects as an mp4 file. We all know that exporting our video as an mp4 file gives us this moderate video file size. So the first thing is I'm going to try and show you under my applications. Make sure you have Adobe After Effects and Adobe Media Encoder of the same year installed on your computer. So when you have these two software installed, that's when you'll be able to export your video out of After Effects as an mp4 file. So you make sure you select on the comp you are exporting from, then you go to composition, go to add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. So when you click on that, automatically it's going to communicate with Adobe Media Encoder. So as you can see, Adobe Media Encoder has been opened. Then under the format, we'll be using H.264. H.264 is a video compression standard based on block-oriented, motion-compensated coding. It is by far the most commonly used format for the recording, compression, and distribution of video content. So we'll be selecting H.264. Under the preset, we have a lot of presets, but what I love to choose is the match source I bitrate. Then the output file, you click on the output file. This is where you want to save your video. I'll be saving mine on my desktop. You can save your project anywhere on your computer. Choice is yours. So I'll be selecting desktop and I'll click on save. Then when I'm done, I'll click on that little play icon to start my rendering process. Now it's saying connecting to dynamic link server. That means it's trying to communicate with After Effects to get all the required data for rendering. Let's see. As you can see, it has started rendering your video. So you're going to wait for it to finish rendering. When it's finished rendering, under the status it's going to show done. So let's minimize all our apps and let's try and locate our video. As you can see, the video is right on the desktop. So I'm going to right click and try and get info of the mp4 file. And as you can see under the properties, it's an mp4 movie, mpeg4 movie. That's an mp4 file, and the file size is about 2.2 megabytes. So I'm going to close that. And let's try and have a quick preview. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open with my VLC. As you can see, our video is out as an mp4 file. The video quality remained the same and we have video file out of After Effects. If you really enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I remain Daniel Adedayo.